To check your transaction history on Skrill, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need quickly. Step 1. Log into your Skrill account. Visit the Skrill website or open the Skrill app. Enter your email and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, look for the wallet or account section on the main dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Access transaction history. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You may have the option to filter your transaction history by date, type, or status. Use these filters to narrow down the transactions you want to review. Step 5. Review and download. Once you have located the transactions you need, you can review the details. If you need a record, look for a download option to save your transaction history as a file. In conclusion, checking your transaction history on Skrill is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your financial activities.